able to see how dirty the artwork is.
Put this together with the 2-inch. Now, when you have the 2-inch on there, that will be able to go through the material, right?
Just barely touch it, and you can see how much it looks like it's been. I don't know how it's done this dripping here.
Condensation.
Just condensation, yeah. That's what it is.
Perception.
But that's going to clean up really nice. And then all of this gray, that appears gray, is really red underneath it. Look. And this gray is just a reaction on the material that's been put on there. I don't know if it was a varnish or what it was, but it's all grayed out. But when you clean it up, it becomes a real, almost a burgundy. We just need to get the varnish on it to intensify the color and give it more depth. But there are actually designs at the intersections of every one of these beams here, and for the most part, you don't even know they're there. Look at this yellow one here, or the red one, rose colored.
Oh, yeah.
You can't see it. So hopefully through the process we'll make some new stencils and we'll actually repaint them. You know, you'd assume it was plaster, but this is all Celotex or cellulose material. And you can see how faded it is. But we think that once we get that varnish on there, it'll come back. Now, the other thing to look at is the beams themselves, the edges. This is that soot damage from the 50s, the fire in the 50s. So that will be pretty challenging to clean. These are for the beams. The beams, all of these beams have been done. All of these side panels have been done. So what we're focusing now on is the main part of the ceiling. The paint itself on these can be pretty fragile. You can literally scrub it off if you tried, so we don't want to try to do that. We just want to take, let's see that brush, and I'll just kind of give you a demonstration. It's like this. See, look at that. Look how much dust we're creating just by doing that. So it's, once they get in the dust and everything, I know you can get it with
Right. What, clear over it?
spray. Yeah, all the big fat. And then we are going to have
Yeah, the blues have stayed very vibrant.
great.
Yeah,
This
it
is
is.
great. We're considering all the blue above the mural to be part of the artwork. And it's all being cleaned, and then it will be sealed in about 3 or 4 times. We'll end up having to hit the side panels because that seemed to
attract it a little bit.
Yeah,
Kind of
Yeah, you gotta start dusting your way down.
yeah, dusting your way out.
They probably just haven't found you. They kept telling me who to look for, and I'm going, I don't know him. Yeah, it's like,
Oh no, nobody's giving me your card.
okay, thanks. But yeah, I mean, if there's stuff where we can come back in and put some of that in there, we can get some of these designs back in.